Hello, my people. If you are in estate with me, this is the best opportunity to purchase your property. Okay, today is the best opportunity for you to do that. Otherwise, you are going to miss out on the bonuses that they are offering today. So please don't miss the bonus because today is the last day. Okay, today is 28th of February, and these bonuses, they are going to disappear. You won't see them again. Okay, however, there will be another bonus that will come up again next month, but let us use this opportunity to at least get one of these fractional real estates that they are offering for everybody to participate in. So these are the three properties that they are offering the bonuses for this February. They are offering for the house property, you will get a bonus of 500 plus ETK. If you decided to go for the desert villa, this will give you a bonus of 1000 ETK. And for those that are interested in the land plot in LA, this will give them equivalent of $3,120, which is equivalent to purchasing a villa in the LA area. Okay, now as you can see, this offer is valid until February 28th, and today is February 28th. I don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity. Okay, so what I am going to do right now is I am going to tell you, for those people that are not familiar with what ETK means. Okay, if you want to purchase either of these properties, either house or desert villa, okay, if you want to purchase either of those two, and you are wondering what ETK means, ETK is the internal cryptocurrency that you get, okay, when you perform certain activities in estate. Okay, like when you log in every day, you will be able to claim ETK, and this ETK will allow you to use what is called money wheel. Okay, to spin the money wheel, it will allow you to use it. By spinning the money wheel, you will earn some money. Okay, and you can also claim your ETK on a daily basis, as you can see from my right hand side here, right? So if you log in every day, 7 days a week, you will be able to collect your ETK. And once your ETK reaches 100, because one spin, as you can see from here, is equivalent to 100 ETK. So at the moment, I have 661 ETK, which means I will be able to spin this wheel 6 times. Okay, so when you purchase one of these properties that they are offering bonuses on, you will be given 500 ETK for the house, and for the desert villa, you will be given 1000 ETK, right? And that will allow you to spin this wheel, and you may just be lucky to win $1000, right? And you know what $1000 means to everybody right now, especially today, that weekend, right? So now let's break down what you are going to get from each of these properties that they are offering the bonuses on. Okay, so let's start with house. If you go into your back office and go to your profit calculator, if you have already registered, you will have access to profit calculator. Okay, if you have not registered, registration is free. You do not have to pay any money to register. So you can register with the link below this video description, complete your KYC right away, and you will be able to have access to this profit calculator. Okay, now when you are on the profit calculator, if you select house, which is one of the properties that are offering bonuses on, to allow you to purchase the fraction of this property for a minimum of $480. Now you can purchase more than $480 if you wish to do so. Okay, and then you will get a profit on a daily basis, $2.69. And then in a month, you should be looking at average floating rate of $56, right? And then you will definitely break even in 8 months. And then when you break even in 8 months, the rest of the remaining months, okay, in the phase one profit model, you will just be enjoying your house money. So this is for the house. Now let's go into the desert villa. The desert villa is giving you minimum of $1,000 to purchase a fraction. Now remember, we are not purchasing the whole of the property, guys. We are only purchasing a fraction of it. So that fraction of that property will give us the ability to be earning on a daily basis up to $5.20. And then in a month, we are looking at $109. Okay, average floating rate. And then again, you break even in eight months, which is great. So we are breaking even. If you can see with all these properties right now, you will break even in 8 months, which is great, because even your bank, if you put this 1,000 in your bank today, you cannot break even with the interest that your bank is giving to you. So this is a very good opportunity, right? Now let's look at the last bonus property that they are given. So this one is the land plot. Okay, this land plot will allow you to purchase a fraction of it for $51,310. And guess what? On a daily basis, you are going to be earning $415. And then the average floating rate every month will be around $8,727. Guys, guess what? You break even faster on this property. 5 months only. That's what you need to break even. So guys, this is great. I cannot complain, right? But I just want to let you guys know that these are the properties that they are offering the bonuses on. If you wish to dive in right now with the link below this video description, if you have already registered in eEstate, whether you registered with my link or not, okay, whoever that introduced you to eEstate, you have registered, completed your KYC. The next thing you have to do is to deposit money and purchase a fraction of this real estate, and you will be given some bonus. So what I'm going to do just now is I am going to quickly show you how to purchase your real estate here. Okay, so if you want to take part in this bonus that they are given, you have to come here. So I want to show you how to do this with the house property. This is just a demo, right? You can purchase the desert villa or the land plot. It's entirely up to you. And if you want to do the house, you can even do more than $480. But for the purpose of this video, I want to demo how to get this done, right? So I want to purchase this property, knowing fully well that I have about $700 in my account just now. Okay, and if you select the house, click buy property, and then it will tell you what you want to buy. 480 right here. You can change it to 5,000 if you want, right? But to demonstrate how this works, I want to do 480, right? And you will see that it says my e-wallet have over $700. So I am going to use this as a demo, right? So if you want to auto compound, you can check this box that says enable auto capitalization. But remember, when you enable this button, you won't be able to undo this button until after 18 months. Okay, so I am not going to check the box because I want to be withdrawing my profit on a daily basis. As you know, we withdraw profit daily. We earn daily, we withdraw daily, right? So I'm going to click pay. And then right here, it's going to ask me to sign my contract. Okay, so I'm going to click sign contract. And then I'm just going to write my name here. So you can do this with your keypad, okay, or keyboard, depending on which device you are using. Okay, I am using computer, so I'm doing this on my keypad. So I'm going to click sign. And then once you click sign, it's going to ask you to do pay with balance. So I click pay with balance. Okay, and you will see success. Your tokenized real estate has been purchased. It's happening live you can see that I have just made a purchase of that. Now, for the ETK bonus that I'm going to get, is going to display here after 1 hour or 2 hours or so. Okay, you will see that my ETK will increase. There will be more ETK added to what I have right now. There you go, guys. After a few minutes, my ETK now increased. They've added extra 500 ETK in my account. Okay, so this is the bonus that you get when you purchase that fractional real estate for this February. Today is the last day, guys. 28th of February. If you don't do this today, you are going to miss this opportunity. So guys, this is how it works with the bonuses. In case if you are interested in getting this done, you have seen what I've done just now. So thank you and God bless. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to sign up with the link below this video description if you wish to join eEstate and benefit from this wonderful platform. Right? Otherwise, thank you and God bless.